Hello friends, this question is from the test series number 10. Subject name is analog circuit, topic name is feedback and oscillator. It's a 2 marks problem. Question says that what is the resonance frequency of this oscillator? So friends, the typical way of solving any resonance circuit is basically you need to find out the transfer function V0 by Vs. In this case, which is Vs is nothing but the V of feedback voltage. Okay, so V0 by Vf will be the best way out. You need to find out the V0 by Vf and then put the imaginary part equal to 0 and you will conventionally find out the answer. But friends, in this question you can see that whenever in the circuit you have an RC series and an RC parallel circuit, so it will definitely leads to the Wien bridge oscillator, because in case of Wien bridge oscillator only we have RC series and RC parallel combination. Okay, so because the circuit is such that the RC series and RC parallel combination is there and there is no other capacitor is present. If there are some other capacitors also there, then we might need to find out the basic transfer function and we need to put the imaginary part equal to 0, which is a time taking process. So basically this circuit we can directly relate to the Wien bridge oscillator. So these kind of tricks you need to use in the gate examination to save the time. So in case of Wien bridge oscillator, you know that your resonance frequency is 1 upon 2 pi under root of R1 R2 C1 C2. So here my R1 R2 is same, which is 51k and 51k, and C is also same, which is 0.001 microfarad. So my expression will going to change it as a 1 upon 2 pi RC. So answer will be 1 upon 2 pi R 51 into 10 raised to the power 3 C 0.001 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. So my answer is nothing else 3120.7 Hertz. So my cutoff frequency is 3120.7 Hertz. So my answer is option C. Option C is my answer. Thank you.